Power tools safety talk. Being safe with power tools is critical for accident prevention. Always read the manufacturer's manual and familiarize yourself with its features, operation, and safety precautions.
Protective equipment, such as safety goggles and gloves, is essential when using power tools. Prior to use, inspect the tool for damage, frayed cords or loose parts, and ensure it's in good condition.
If the tool requires electricity, use a grounded outlet and a suitable extension cord. Always use two hands when possible for better control and reduced risk of accidents.
Choose the correct tool for each task to avoid inefficiencies and safety hazards. Never disable or remove safety guards or features; they protect against potential dangers.
Always power off the tool before making adjustments or changing attachments. After use, disconnect the tool from its power source and store in a dry, clean area.
Proper training for all tools is vital, as some require more experience to be used safely. Familiarize yourself with the tool's emergency shut-off procedures and keep a first aid kit nearby.
Power tools can significantly enhance efficiency and accuracy, but they can also cause serious injuries if improperly used. Therefore, following safety rules is crucial for personal safety and successful task completion.